previous class we have learned two operation of sets. One is union and second intersection. Okay. Now today in the union between two set is defined as A union B equals to will be such element which belongs to A or which belongs to B or both. Okay. And intersection, what is the definition of intersection? A intersection B equals to, it is defined as such element which belongs to A and also belongs to B. That is the common elements. Now by this property, by this formula intersection, we get the result on between two set, between two a operation on set which is a disjoint set. Disjoint set. What is disjoint set? Disjoint set is two sets are said to be disjoint. Two set A and B are said to be disjoint if A intersection B equals to phi. Okay. Now A intersection B equals to phi mean there is no common element between A and B. That implies they are exclusive, mutually exclusive. Whenever two sets are mutually exclusive, that means they are disjoint, and disjoint means the two sets have no common element. By Venn diagram, if we take a universal set U and two sets are written as something like that, A and B, the two set subset of universal set U, then we clearly see that A and B don't have any common element, right? So these two set, this represent A intersection B equals to phi. Okay, there is no common set. This is the definition of disjoint set. Okay, as an example we can write as, let A equals to A, B, C, B equals to let 1, 2, 3. Then A intersection B will be phi, as they does not have any common element. That implies A comma B are disjoint. Okay. Next difference of two set. Difference of two sets. Difference of two sets is, which is, now A and B, let A and B any two sets. Okay, any two given set. Then difference of two set is given by, there are two difference of sets will be, first A minus B and second B minus A. Now what is A minus B? A minus B is the element which belongs to A but does not belongs to B. So the element in the set A which does not belongs to B is the difference of A minus B. Similarly, the set of element which belongs to B but does not belongs to A is B minus A. So by definition we can write as such element X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Similarly, X such that X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A. Okay. By Venn diagram we can say that, we can write as, let A be this set and B be this set. This is A, this is B, and this is universal set. Now this figure divide into three disjoint figure. First this set, second this common, and lastly this set. Okay, now here this portion, this setted portion contain all the element of A but not the element of B. Now this section contain all the element of A and B, common element, and this section contain all the element of B which does not belongs to A. So this portion will be B minus A minus B, and this section will be B minus A. Okay, by Venn diagram this is the shaded region of A minus B and B minus A. As an example, let A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equals to 3, 4, 5, 6. So A minus B will be the element of A which does not belongs to B. Now all the element of A 1 and 2 does not belongs to B, but 3 and 4 belongs to A. So A minus B will be 1 and 2. Okay, and B minus A will be all the element which does not belongs to A. Okay, then 3 and 4 that belongs to A. So these 3 and 4 does not belongs to B minus A, and 5, 6 will be which the element of B which does not belongs to A. So B minus A will be 5 and 6. Okay. So this is the difference of two sets. Difference of two sets does not have any properties. So just know that formula, and when given sum, for a given sum you have to calculate A minus B, B minus A. Next, complement of set. Complement of a set. What is complement of a set? Complement of a set is, if A be a set, let A be any set and U be the universal set. Let U be the universal set. Universal set. So all the element of A, the element of U, inverse for a set A complement will be which is defined by either A upper suffixes C and or A dashed or A bar. So we normally use this sign or this sign. Okay, whatever be useful. So A complement, if we use this sign, A complement equals to will be the element which does not belongs to A but belongs to U. Okay, so for any set A there is a universal set. We have already discussed this universal set. Every for an example, universal set is a fixed certain set where all the elements for calculation, all the element comes from this universal set. So for a set A, the A complement will be the element which does not belongs to A but belongs to the universal set. Okay, by let's say U be universal set, this set, and A be the set, this set. So A complement will be the interior of the circle contains all the element of A. So the outer exterior of the circle will be the A complement. Okay, this represent A complement. Okay. Example, let U equals to universal set U equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A equals to 3, 4, 5. So A complement will be all the element of U which does not belongs to A. Those elements are 1, 2 and 6. So A complement will be 1, 2 and 6. Okay, and this is A complement or complement of a set. So in general we can write as A complement. In general, A complement equals to, we get X such that X belongs to universal set U and X does not belongs to A. So by definition of difference of two set, this will be U minus A. So A complement equals to U minus A. This is a complementary result. Okay. Next, properties of complement. Properties of complement. First property 1, A union A complement equals to U. We can easily show that by the Venn diagram. This is the set A and this is A complement. Okay. So if we add A and A complement union, so all the elements of A and A complement, which gives the total element of U, universal set. Okay. So A union A complement will be U. Second, A intersection A complement, which will be phi, as we see that A and A complement are disjoint. There is no common region. This is the interior of A will be the element of A, and exterior of A is the set A complement. So there is no common element. So A intersection A complement will be phi. 3, U complement. What is U complement? Now universal set, this is universal, all the element are belongs to U. So if we take complement of U, then there is no set, no element will be found, right? For the set U, the universal set also U. So if we take U complement, there is no other element in the exterior of U. So U complement equals to phi. So also phi complement equals to U. Phi means there is no element. So complement will be the whole set, whole universal set. Okay. 5, A complement whole complement will be A, as if we take A, then A complement will be this set. Now this set, the complement of this set, A complement of complement will be the element of U which does not belongs to A complement, which also A. So A dash and A complement of complement equals to A. Okay. Similarly, we can easily, by the next properties will be shown in the laws of algebra of set. So the next operation is symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. What is symmetric difference? Let A and B be any two set then the symmetric difference of A and B denoted as A, this is the sign of symmetric difference, A symmetric difference of B equals to A minus B, the element of A minus B union of element of B minus A. This is the symmetric difference of between two set A and B. So by Venn diagram we can represent the symmetric difference by the shaded region. So from the previous two figures we have reached that this is the set A minus B and this is the set B minus A. If this set A, this set B. Okay. So this region union of this region will be the symmetric difference of A and B. Okay. Right. So today we have learned four. Today we have learned first is disjoint set. Disjoint set means A intersection B equals to phi. Second, difference of two sets. Difference of two sets defined as two different ways. First a minus b and second b minus a. These two differences are not equal. Obviously, a minus b defined as the element of a which does not belongs to b, and b minus a defined as the element of b which does not belongs to a. Okay, by the figure we have already seen this. The complement of set is complement, a complement which is denoted as a upper suffix c or a dashed, which is the set of all element which belongs to u but does not belongs to a, is called a complement. So definition is this set. Next is a. Similarly, by the definition of difference, we have also can write a complement equals to u minus a. So, and the properties of complements are a union a complement equals to u, which I have already shown. A intersection a complement equals to phi, u complement equals to phi, phi complement equals to u, a complement of complement equals to a. And lastly, symmetric difference. What is symmetric difference? Symmetric defined as a minus b union of b minus s, already, and denoted as a and by this symbol of b. Okay, and by this figure we have already find this. So as an example, we can already show that let a equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and b equals to 3, 4, 5, 6. So a minus b will be the element of a which does not belongs to b. So here 3 and 4 does not included in the set 1, 2, and b minus a equals to, which will be 5, 6. So a symmetric difference of b will be a minus b union b minus a. So these two sets will be union. So if we take union of these two sets, then all the element of a minus b and b minus b is included in the set. So 1, 2, 5, 6. This will be the symmetric difference of two sets. Okay.